till our lips were numb. And since I saw your face, you won't keep us apart. So I etched your name in print upon my heart, my heart. It was Christmas Eve. I found my soul purpose, peace on earth in 3 words. The road is so long. There's a traffic jam on the radio. The Salvation Army band shelter from the snow. The season of good cheer, pictures old and new, collected through the years that I've spent with you, with you. It was Christmas Eve. I found my soul purpose, peace on earth in 3 words. The road is so long. The year's done. We're falling, falling. I'm coming home. When we were young, from my tears you saved me.
Como habéis adivinado, soy Gaspar, venido de Oriente, atravesando ríos, montañas y continentes. Os traigo un mensaje de cordialidad y de esperanza. Este año 2020 va a desaparecer y vendrá el 2021 que será mejor. No lo olvidéis, esperanza. Hasta pronto.